Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that every iPhone 17 Pro Max user should consider, the OtterBox Glass Screen Protector. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below for you to check the latest prices and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The OtterBox Glass Screen Protector is specifically designed for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, providing a layer of protection that is both shatter-resistant and scratch-proof. This means that whether you accidentally drop your phone or it gets jostled around in your bag, your screen will remain intact and in pristine condition. With its robust construction, this screen protector is a game-changer for anyone looking to safeguard their device. One of the standout features of the OtterBox Screen Protector is its ability to maintain flawless touch response. You won't have to sacrifice the smooth, responsive experience of your iPhone's touchscreen, which is crucial for everything from swiping through apps to gaming. Additionally, it resists fingerprints and smudges, meaning your screen stays clear and clean for extended periods. This is especially beneficial if you often find yourself reaching for your phone in the middle of the day, as the last thing you want is a dirty screen. Another important aspect is its easy installation. The OtterBox comes with a comprehensive install kit that includes an alignment frame. This makes the installation process incredibly straightforward. You simply align the frame to your phone, press the screen protector down, hold it steady, and pull the tab to remove the film cover. With this intuitive process, you can achieve a perfect fit without any bubbles or misalignment, which is something many users appreciate. So, who is this product suitable for? If you own an iPhone 17 Pro Max, then this screen protector is tailored for you. It is perfect for anyone who values their device's longevity and wants to keep it safe from everyday wear and tear. This could be busy professionals who are constantly on the go, students who carry their devices in backpacks, or anyone who simply wants peace of mind knowing their phone is protected. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're at a coffee shop, enjoying your favorite drink, when you accidentally knock your phone off the table. With the OtterBox Screen Protector, you can relax knowing that your screen is protected against shattering. Or perhaps you're a parent whose kids love to play games on your phone. The last thing you want is for their excitement to end in a cracked screen. The OtterBox provides a reliable barrier against those accidental impacts. Even for those who work in more rugged environments, this screen protector can be a vital accessory, helping to guard against dust, dirt, and scratches that can occur in daily activities. In conclusion, the OtterBox Glass Screen Protector for the iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just an accessory, it's an essential addition for anyone looking to prolong the life of their device. With its shatter-resistant glass, flawless touch response, and easy installation, it stands out as a top choice in the market. If you're ready to protect your investment and keep your phone looking brand new, this screen protector is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video